Hello! Are you looking for a proven clothing supplier whose assortment you could offer in your store? In the next episode of our tests, we look at the Fobya wholesaler. Fobya is a Polish clothing manufacturer and wholesaler that also aggregates products of two owned brands, Fimfi and Knitis. The supplier's offer includes about 1,000 items aimed at women, such as cardigans, sweaters, blouses, tunics, dresses, pants and sets. Fobya's offer is distinguished by a large variety of available products. Partners interested in cooperation with the supplier can choose from a wide selection of clothes representing various styles, from sports through casual to retro or classic clothing. As a manufacturer, Fobya dynamically responds to market needs, frequently releasing new collections containing fresh and original products. Fobya provides its partners with professional photos of available products, however, it does not agree to use their original descriptions. This means that before starting the sales, it is worth taking the time to prepare your own content that will increase the attractiveness of the important products and encourage customers to buy them. The wholesaler shares its product offer in a collective file containing the necessary information about the products, such as current stock levels and prices. This makes it possible to quickly import products into your store using one of the automatic integration tools available on the market, such as Megamo. Both stationary stores, online stores and wholesalers can cooperate with the Fobya. The cooperation can take the form of classic sales model as well as the increasingly popular dropshipping model, in which the responsibility for order processing and stocking the store rests on the shoulders of the supplier and the integration provider. Placing an order takes place using a panel dedicated to wholesale customers on the Fobya's website. Payment for the order takes place via a traditional transfer, which may delay the preparation for shipping as it begins after the payment is credited. In Fobya, orders are usually completed within 3 business days, however, the supplier reserves that in certain cases it may be extended up to 10. At the partner's request, the shipment can also be transferred to his own courier, which further increases the possibilities of delivering the product to the customer. International sale of products in cooperation with Fobya is possible. Shipments can be done by the wholesaler to any country in the world. However, this involves additional difficulty related to the translation into selected languages of information about products, such as their names, descriptions, material composition, or size tables. With this in mind, we recommend international sales with the use of the Fobya's assortment primarily to medium and large stores, where the preparation of relevant content can be carried out by teams dedicated to this task. Fobya clearly defines the terms of cooperation, its obligations as a distributor, and expectations towards its business partners. These include staying in line with manufacturer's suggested retail price, which is the minimum value that you can sell a product in your store at. When establishing cooperation with a Fobya wholesaler, it is worth bearing in mind the advantages of this wholesaler, but also its weaker aspects. On the one hand, it offers interesting and diverse products, and thanks to its own brands aimed at various target groups, its assortment will perfectly fit into the offer of stores with a completely different profile. On the other, it does not use modern payment methods, and thus the shipping time may be extended. Partners must also take into account the need of preparing content that was not made available by the wholesaler, such as descriptions of individual products. The Fobya warehouse in our test gets recommended badge. Although it has its flaws, we believe that it balances them with its strengths, and stores that consciously choose it, in our opinion, will be satisfied with the course of such cooperation.